Hello traders, today we'll be looking at the golden MA indicator for MT4. This tool plots multiple horizontal levels on your price chart, including yesterday's highs and low, so you can see structured overbought, oversold, and maximum entry zones, acting as dynamic support and resistance. I'll load the indicator on the chart now, so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see over here, on the main chart, the golden MA indicator draws a ladder of horizontal lines above and below current price. It marks the previous trading day's highs and low, then plus several additional bands that represent steps overbought and oversold zones on both the buy and sell side. These levels visually divide the recent price movement into zones where the indicator considers price stretched or attractive, effectively turning the chart into a clear map of potential support and resistance area and maximum possible entry point in either direction. If we go over to its settings, we have the show price label, which controls whether the current price value is displayed next to the levels on the chart or not. When enabled, each line can show an accompanying price label, so you can immediately read the exact level you are watching without hovering or measuring. And let's move over to who is for and its limitations. The golden MA indicator is suited to traders who like to trade around a clearly defined level, fading extremes, trading bounces, or planning breakouts using a structured ladder style support and resistance layout. The levels are based on past price behavior and fixed rules, so the market can still overshoot or ignore a band, especially during strong trends or news events. You should therefore treat them as reference zones for planning entries and exits, always combining them with your own price action reading, confirmation tools, and strict risk management rules, rather than as automatic buy sell instructions. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below, and also read more about the golden MA indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.